Hi guys, meet Lucy. This is my new best friend. This is a robot vacuum cleaner made by Trifo. And this thing is great at cleaning up dust and debris off the floor. This is also a pet-friendly version. I've got 2 cats and I definitely need help around the house cleaning up all the pet hair. Now I want to show you the camera in the front. It's got day and night vision, and that's also where you're going to scan the QR code when you first register the device. So you can operate this machine through the app. You can also do it manually. There are a couple of buttons on the front that will stop and start the machine. You can also do it through Alexa. This is Wi-Fi compatible. I've got mine hooked up to Alexa, and you'll see in the demo videos here coming up shortly how that actually works. So yeah, definitely check this out. You know, this thing is super powerful, it gets the job done, and I absolutely love it. Check it out. Alexa, start vacuuming.